Here is some information about 120 people who visit a shop. 3/4 of the people buy neither a coat nor a dress. 19 people buy a coat and 14 people buy a dress. So 3/4 of 120 is 90. So 90 people neither. So that will be outside the two circle diagram. And 120 minus 90 is equal to 30. So 30 means that's the one inside the two circular diagram. So that is coat or dress. People who bought coat or dress. Now, but if you add the people who bought coat or dresses, that's 19 plus 14. That's actually equal to 33. But there should be people only. So therefore, the 33 and the 30 have an overlap of 3. So 3 is the overlap. So that is the one inside the overlap of the two diagrams. So that's 3. So now let's compute the people who bought coat only. And that's 19 minus 3. And that is 16. And there are 14 people who bought dresses. That means the one who bought dresses only is just 11, because the total of the one who bought dresses is 14. So this is the answer.